What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome to season episode 6 Tornado Survival Series. um, Sorry about the upload. Wait, my mic got broke. It's actually my baby brother actually destroyed it. Yeah, it's okay. It was just one of those cheap ones, but I got a really nice one out. Hopefully the mic quality is better. Yeah. If I turn off my mic, means I'm gonna sneeze because I have allergies right now, and it's kind of hard not to sneeze. Well, when it left off, we were making our house. Makes it like this is big. Haven't been in this world since. Hopefully this. We probably should wait for a day, or probably should make a bed, but it's. I mean. We don't have enough, but this is kind of the house already. Hopefully you guys have done well. Like, not like 20 subscribers, yeah. But really uploading nothing. I didn't make a Q&A video. It's kind of sad. Hope everybody's doing well for the coronavirus thing. Really, the most people affected are old people, but I mean, everybody's someone. So I hope you all are doing well. Yeah. Yeah. Let me just... I know what happens when I go outside because I die many times, so I have like no fear too. So this might be actually a pretty boring video because I really don't even know what to do. I mean, last episode I died like 15 times. I don't know why. I was just like that, Josh. I'm sorry. It's just like I don't know. I'm probably gonna even sleep this. I think my mom called me, but I don't know. Hopefully not. Nothing can keep me anywhere. I could just go down here and just... Oh, there's my bed. Okay. Frick. I know if I don't... Okay. What? Kiss me out of bed because those monsters nearby? Frick. Coronavirus is just kind of like... I always made fun of it because I don't really care. I mean, I'm not old, so... What should I be? But I mean, you might get it. And I don't think old people are watching my videos. I don't even know the age group people do. I actually watch literally a 13-year-old play Minecraft, and it's really boring. I don't think that's really entertaining content. But people still actually click on it. I don't know, maybe because they just click on videos. Maybe it's like clickbaity. But yeah, zombies are boring, so that's bad. And I might have had a die. Boom. Are you serious? Don't Oh my. Okay. Stupid. Boom. Ah, man, that. Sorry. Sorry about that. I had to sneeze. Hopefully that should have turned off my mic. Yeah, sorry. So yeah. Sorry. Medium, because I don't know. Dude, you're literally a stupid little brat. Yeah. So this might be the one of the worst episodes, top 10 episodes on YouTube. I mean, it's kind of my fault, but and this house is probably never gonna be built because it's like I just and this series hasn't been working out, you know. Yeah, sorry. It's kind of like the worst series on the world, probably. Not actually knowing that it is. And why am I hearing sounds? Please explain. Like, I don't know. Obviously, there's nothing. I don't think there's any monsters. Or is there? I don't know. Let's go out and hurry because I don't want to, you know. Boom, boom, boom. And yes, I am making my bed again. As somebody did that, and I even got my spawn points back. I'll be that says my spawn point. But if it didn't, I don't know. It's funny because I can't make armor with silver. That's weird. I'm not sure why. What am I keeping in there? I'm not sure why. It was actually raining really hard, like literally, and then there was a lightning siren. So it was a tornado siren. So, well, we didn't really react to it any much because it doesn't really matter. But you know, yay, tornado. We had actually a tornado for a while. Last tornado, dogs. Hello guys, well, from my last clip, I was mining some wood and, my game decided to stop recording. Yeah, sad thing over there, that's kind of, so I got this much wood. Hopefully that would do. Realize I don't even know what to do in this game. it's kind of boring doing lots of stuff, really not really doing anything. And I'll try to help both in it. Anybody in my comment section can have some suggestions to what kind of things I can do in this Minecraft world. That would be very helpful because I'm really curious. And if you want to see something, I'll do it. Nothing ridiculous, but I mean, something that I can actually do. I mean, it might be him impossible. I don't know if I can do it though. But yeah. Hopefully you guys actually pick out something. Okay, sorry about that. This 5 moments. I'm gonna actually be editing this, and that's, I mean, I'm actually gonna edit it a little bit. I don't know if I should add an intro or something. I'm not sure. I don't really have intro. I don't really know how to make one. Well, I have one, but actually not really. I don't really have one. I'll show you the intro I'll have. I don't know. I don't edit that well. I'll add some music though. But hopefully you guys actually enjoy this, because I mean you guys aren't enjoying it because you haven't clicked like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm so okay. Just okay. Yeah, I know I'm stupid. Okay, but still see. Wait, I gotta fix. Oh, I gotta fix my sensitivity. I hate when it does that. I mean, yeah, but it's just like really. But anybody, if you have any suggestions for what I should do in the Minecraft world, I will pick one. I might change some stuff about the things, and yeah. Sorry, I'm just looking at stuff. Okay, not really much I can really add, but this is my cringy Minecraft videos. I hope you not enjoy, because I cannot do anything in life, and I hope you actually hate me, because yeah, I mean, yeah, hate me because nobody loves me. So that'd be super appreciated if you do. Oops. I mean, school just started up again. Online school, of course. Kind of hard. I haven't really done anything actually today, and it's already like 4, 5, and yeah. But I only have 2 assignments, so I don't really care. I'm not gonna brush it. I know I probably should be doing it without than making a Minecraft video, but I really haven't uploaded one, so I don't really care. I mean, people might think I should make one. I don't think I should. I mean, people think I shouldn't, but I think I should. I mean, just saying. Was that in game or outside? I'm not sure. I think it was in game. Yeah, it was in game. I don't think real life noises sound like that. Oh, I'm gonna see you when I finish all this. Yeah. See you when I finish all this. Okay, okay, I just finished the roof after the walls. made a new apps and everything. But I think this will be where I'm ending this video. As always, please, if you want to, I'm not forcing you, you can like and subscribe. Maybe share to your friends, but I don't know. But hopefully you enjoyed kind of. Probably you were boring, and yeah. But thanks for watching my channel. Have another wonderful day.